Are you tired of seeing the iPhone is too close alert on iOS 18? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to disable this feature so you can use your phone without interruptions, whether you're reading, watching videos, or using apps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the Screen Time option. Tap on it, and you might be prompted to enter your Screen Time passcode if you have one set up. This will allow you to access the relevant settings. Once you're in the Screen Time settings, look for an option called Screen Distance. This should be located right below the Always Allowed section. Tap on it to open the settings for Screen Distance. The Screen Distance feature is designed to alert you if you're holding your iPhone or iPad too close to your face in order to reduce eye strain and the risk of myopia. If you find this alert disruptive and prefer not to receive it, simply toggle off or disable this feature. That's it. By turning off this setting, you won't receive the iPhone is too close alert anymore. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your iPhone. Thanks for watching.